Most Samsung users have no idea this powerful hidden feature exists, and it's a total game changer for your privacy. Go to your settings, tap on security and privacy, and select more security setting. Look for app pinning and toggle it on. Make sure you also enabled lock phone after unpinning for maximum security. Now to use it, just open up the app you wanna lock, go to your recent app screen, tap the app icon at the top and select pin this app. Now, no one can swipe out of your app, check your messages, or snoop through your photos without your permissions. It's perfect for when a friend needs to make a call or your kids want to watch a video. To unpin the app, just touch and hold the recent and the back button at the same time to unpin it. If you found this tip helpful, share this video with someone who values their privacy and follow me for more Samsung security tips.